story.
Shut up.
Are you ready?
Yeah, Rowan's doing it right now.
Let me get so you can be closer.
This is a true story. 5 people.
I never asked for too much. Just to fall for you.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it.
I have nothing.
Feel the music on 93.1 KQMQ. Checking to see what's going on weather-wise, and everybody woke up this morning, like me, or like, in Nu'uanu, it rains all the time, but man, this morning, the rain on the roof woke me up. Now, it's going to be mostly cloudy today, scattered showers, some heavy with a chance of thunder showers, mostly in the afternoon, okay, but we do have some sunshine right now. The high will get up near 80, and the winds are southeasterly, 5 to 15 miles an hour. We do have a flash flood watch in effect, and also an urban and small stream flood advisory.
Our dining table. This is in Hawaii. Eric, who are you all? Eric?
Hawaii.
What are you doing here in Hawaii?
Visiting cousin.
Huh? Vacationing? Wait, why are you going so fast? This is the kitchen.
Look.
Just a minute, I'm taking... That's the dining table. Mosquitoes already.
Is it big?
Don't put it too close. Turn on the light there. And that's the living room. Eric. This is the living room. That's the stairs going up to the bedroom upstairs. Bedroom going up to the bedroom. There's Eric. Eric likes to watch TV. It's a nice place. This is the stairs going up to the bedroom. Here's Eric. That's the entrance door. That's the living room. And the kitchen there. Eric, where are you hiding? He's trying to hide.
And a little gusty around areas of thunderstorms. Mariners, be careful for watch out for water spouts and water.
Aloha.
Look at that forecast.
Outside is...
Hindi nila finish yung bed?
15 to 29. Tomorrow, expect thunder showers,
yung bed hindi nila finish?
cover, some sunshine, a lot of humidity, a lot of everything. More rain on Thursday as well, but Hawaii may begin to clear by Thursday morning, and then it will make its way down the island.
That's our bedroom.
You've just covered everything. It's hard because every side of every island is going to have a different weather condition over the next couple of days. So.
She has her own bed. Do you like your room, Irene? She has her own TV. This is the room.
Hello, David. How are you? Yeah, hey, Raymond, how are you? Is that David or Raymond? Oh, David. Yeah, we just, I don't know if we can stop by there because we just came from downtown today, and I just extend the van another day. And hey, Dave, you know Erwin, somebody pick up Erwin.
The bell tolls.
You know them?
Sister, sister!
They're student.
I fear that I will leave you before you return.
Like,
One man, my
oh, you don't know them, huh?
Well,
Si Julie, ang nakakalam yata.
Ramona.
I think Julie know them.
They said they're gonna go somewhere, I think.
I must go now. I cannot wait any longer.
You don't know who introduced to them, maybe?
I think Julie or David.
Dito kami sa Hawaii ngayon, dito sa Biliting. Ano?
Sa apartment. Sa apartment.
Sa apartment, dito, up and down ng apartment, $17 a day.
Wait, nako.
Yeah.
What are you
Nagluluto
doing?
kami ng pagkain dito sa apartment. Up and down ng apartment namin, ang ganda.
Nakalimutan mo na. Saan ka na masyal?
Masyal kami sa Alamoana, sa pinalitan namin yung passport ni Eric sa first Hawaiian Tower. So, kumusta lahat dyan? Masaya ang magbakasyon dito sa Hawaii. Aloha, mahalo.
Ayan.
Naka-short kami, oh. Short, patay mo na. Short, patay mo.
Okay. Yan ang mga cabinet, may stove, may frigidaire. Meron ding washroom. Ito yung pintuan palabas sa washroom. Laging kalikot niya sa bag niya. Siya yung nasa taas ng kwarto sa nagsusulat.
Appointment sparked at a perfectly nice professor for no reason. Plus, I haven't even got to figure out who was jealous of me. I got off scot-free. Doris says what? You're going to be heartbroken, Ira.
Kape tayo.
Broken am I. She was a nice girl, though. Actually, I miss her. No. Who's so about her? You don't often see girls like that.
Ito, tinitimpla kong kape ni Sweat.
My luck, she lives so far away, right? Because, you know, actually, they're could have been something there. We got to pull out.
Mainit na?
Oo. Umusok